Okay, we're going to do the noise test on the Slim Wave pump, the Platinum Series pump. It's important to know that on any power head that you buy, I don't care whose it is, what is the most audible of noises is when they pulse the fastest. Not because necessarily at the peak of the flow that they're any louder, but you're getting it from low to high. So you're just revving it up and down. So it could be the most annoying, if you will. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this pump in the fastest pulse mode, and then we're going to set it to constant so you get an understanding of what it would be. First thing we want to do is get the ambient room noise, which we're in a virtually silent room with a computer fan about 30 feet away from us. That's the only thing in here. So we're right at 31 decibels. Rotate just a touch, and a little less than that. So you can see at 31.6, 32 decibels. So they're claiming this pump is at 20 decibels, and that's quieter than the room we're here. So you can see it barely raises it at all in the room. Now, if you got it right up on the tank or you're sitting right beside it, let's see if we can hear that pulsing action. You should be able to. Not really. You can. It does pick up my beads going through the pump. You can hear it. Sounds like it's grinding up some rocks, but that's real. You got to be close to it. So this is definitely quiet compared to what's out there in the market, and I'm happy with it. But this is the worst case. So this is the biggest pulsing mode. We're going to take it to the constant mode so you can listen to that real quick. So there it is at the constant mode. So 31.4, 31.5, which is real close to the ambient room noise. And if you can imagine, you know, this is going to be something that just kind of blends into the background. You're not going to be annoyed by the constant thing at all. In fact, it's going to be considered quiet and silent by you. Have a great day. I'm Aquaman Knox.